Hello, my name is John Jairo Mesa, and I have my practicum in the Info Language Corporation or Corporación Educativa Info Language. So now I'm going to read some questions, and then I'm going to answer one by one. First of all, the first question is how different uh, are you now? In this case, how different am I now from the time I started my practicum? So basically, at the beginning, before starting my practicum, I have a lot of expectations in order to know how it's gonna be, right? Now, after the practice, I can say that I learned a lot of. I learned so much from my supervisor, my tutor, from my students, and from all of the tasks, all of the activities from this course. Now, I'm going to talk about the action plan that was required in this task. I mean, from the portfolio, and it is according to the weaknesses. I will do, or I will focus more on task based learning to make students interact more each other in all of the activities and homeworks. I also include as much as possible web pages or internet links to use more interactive programs and online tools. So, I must practice more my listening in order to improve it with exercises from books, songs, movies, and try to speak and talk with others who speak English and having international mock exams in order to be prepared more. I also study more about English phonetics, how English phonetics works, and it will be by doing pronunciation activities and workshops. So finally, I will prepare and plan my classes and trying to innovate or change activities and exercises, even if the topic is the same for several classes. I mean, try to change the activities if the topic or if the class is going to be the same for the same level, right? Now, next question is what do I think is the most challenging issue for the future teachers? And what would I recommend to solve it? Well, as my research question says, I think the most challenging issue for future teachers will be the lack of fluency of some students at the beginning and sometimes at the intermediate levels when they are learning English. Some students are shy because of different situations. It could be family, emotional, etc. And sometimes, as the teacher does not pay attention to this situation in order to give some advices, topics, and classes a little bit more personalized, could be the students could be get frustrated or bored or disappointed with the teacher. So, in order to solve this challenge, we must pay attention to those students and help them a little bit more with extra activities, extra exercises, and try to research or search different methods, activities, or I mean special classes, explanations, and tools to keep them motivated with the process. Thank you so much.